think I want to take that light out. Why? Because I want to. And that camera. Why? Because I want to. So, open sesame. Now, typically, I already started without you, because I want to make sure this is actually the right way of doing it. Or at least we would think. Okay, so, I think I have to take this off. And apparently you don't. But maybe you do, because this is actually somewhat metal or maybe fiberglass. And you probably do, because, yeah, you do. Okay. Now, this clip decided to stay, and I decided to retrieve it with my bare hands. So, now, I use something like this. You got up in between. There's actually a nice gap because it's American. So, you just go in here and pop it out, and you're good to go. That's what I did. So, usually, I thought you had to start from there, and you do not with this one. This one starts actually back here. So we have to take this guy out, and let's see how easy it is. Can I do it with one hand? Probably not. Well, it did me a favor of just sort of like dangling there. That's cool. So I did have to pull, and pull, and pull, and it came out. Now with the wires dangling, let's get both of our hands and get this guy out, and just a squeeze. Just a small squeeze. See? Gosh, I should probably clean my hands. That's alright. I'm still working. Squeeze and squeeze. Now, what I thought would be from this side, it's actually from back here. So I'm going to use the same tool like he's over here. And pop this guy out. And pop this guy out. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to retrieve this one and see if I'm going to keep it. I'm going to retrieve it after I take it off. Now this, look at this. This is the Americans. This is what you got to love with the Americans. Okay, so this comes down, and this comes out. You like that? That's the American side for you. Oh, lost it. Now we can retrieve it. And here, this goes right in the corner because this little plastic piece does all the help in the world because you got this one, this one, this one, that 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 one, and we just had to have that one. Same with here. Out and about. And now pull, 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 and there we have it. So technically, this is actually one piece. I was pulling on this. Good thing I didn't break it. It's plastic welded. So this whole piece is all one piece. Thanks, Jeep. Now, let's get the light out. Now, with all these bolts out of the way, you would think, shouldn't be that bad. Why would it? Look, 4 silver, 3 more black. That's 6 black in total. We got 9 silvers, and this one, this one, this one, that one right there that you get from here on the angle. Same with this one little weird cutout here. That one, this one, this one, this one I took out because I didn't know it was for it. 2 more here, and we still have no luck because, let me show you, it is stuck behind this. So now, can we snap this guy out of the light without breaking something? With the American cars, I'd probably say no, but let's try it. And yes, we got it out. So with this guy loosened up from the... Wait, do you even have to loosen that up? No way, dude. This just floats. Dude, this just floats. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, that's awesome. Good. I have to take you only need 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 mils. And then, so technically you need this one. Here, let's touch it on this one. 1, 2, 3. 3? How the hell did I get 9 out? Huh. So these are 2 blacks on the outside. Tell me it's the 3 blacks. It is, isn't it? Yes, it is. Let's confirm that. Here's the tail light number. let's confirm this. Let's put this guy back and confirm that this is the... Yes, sirree. It's only the 310s. I thought only 3 blacks. This one and these 2. And the rest just float. Let's double check on this one. Watch it, this one, and then pop this guy out of the other socket. So let's try it on this one. There's a better angle of it. So I just pop this out. See the little white clip? This just separates. That's awesome. Nice. You don't have to take the whole thing off. So let's get this. Let's get up under here. Here's the part number. And let's get this puppy back out. All right, I know, it's a giraffe. It's an elephant. It's a whale. Let's get these guys out. I bet they're black nuts. Funny enough, no? Because they are. Now, let's get this guy out. Right and left. And let's see what it looks like with its stay. I get it? Can I get it? Yeah, I got it. So, let's put them back, call it a day. Put all the 10 mils back that you didn't have to take out, and make sure you plug it back in. There you go. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.